Hulala Home Buffalo Plaid Farmhouse Striped Studded Accent Armchair. We'll provide easy step-by-step assembly instructions, along with a closer view and features towards the end of the video. Now here's a quick assembly demonstration. I'll be showing you where the legs are hidden and stored, also giving tips during assembly. Remove the two pieces, which is the backrest here and the base. You'll see that there will be single letter labels at each corner under the base. Here are the metal brackets that allow the backrest to slide into the base, which we will get into later in this video, but for now, let's start with the base. The tool and hardware provided, hidden legs location, and the placement of each leg using the single letter label that's placed on each corner of the base. The long orange material will lead you to the hidden legs. Each leg will have a single letter label that will match up to the corner of your base. The hardware is 3 bolts per leg, and it conveniently comes with an Allen wrench tool. Here I'm pointing out the single letter labels that are on each corner of the base. Position your base black side top up. Match each leg single letter label to each corner on the base. Now position the legs with the 3 bolts and hand screw them into position. Each leg conveniently has adjustable feet that you can adjust after full assembly. Using both hands simultaneously can speed up the process. Next, we'll use the long side of the Allen wrench like this. Twist the Allen wrench until all bolts are snug. Now take the Allen wrench and use the shorter end to tighten all 3 bolts. Next, carefully flip over your base with the legs on the ground. Locate the 2 slotted brackets for the backrest. The backrest slotted brackets will slide right into the base slotted brackets. If you have to, you can wiggle it into position. Here's a closer view on how it should look when it's installed correctly. Now you can position the backrest Velcro cover onto the base. The Velcro from the backrest securely attaches to the base along with the bottom. Now that your chair is fully assembled, now you can adjust all 4 legs. You might only need to adjust 1 or 2, depending on the leveling of your floor. After adjusting, sit in the chair and wiggle. Make sure all legs are touching the ground. Now, let's look at the results. This decorative floor armchair provides good back support and comfort while reading, having good conversation, or just watching TV. This studded accent chair will definitely brighten up your space. The fabric is comfortable and smooth to the touch, and the foam is actually comfortable, made of high resilient sponge with support, and is not easily deformed even if you sit in it for a long time. The legs and frame are made with high quality birch wood. Now let's have a look at multiple views of this product in our comfortable home setting. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.